Rome. Once the capital of the empire, today the capital of Italy. Did you know that the city center of Rome is still surrounded by a wall constructed in the 3rd century? Here it is, shown in yellow, the famous Aurelian walls. A 19-kilometer-long brick wall completed in 274 by Emperor Aurelian. Together with its ancient gates, the wall still defines the city center. Now, what if you can actually walk inside the wall just like ancient Roman soldiers? Wouldn't you love that? All you have to do is find this gate, the Appian gate, the most southern of all the gates and probably the most important, as the Appian Way starts from here. Known also as St. Sebastian Gate, as the saint lies in a nearby church. Starting from late 3rd century, Rome started suffering more and more barbarian attacks, so Emperor Aurelian had to construct the wall in a rather short time. Using pre-existing structures such as aqueducts and by recycling ancient Roman bricks, in only 4 years the wall was completed. Every 30 meters there are watchtowers. This gate today is open to the public and you get to be on top of these towers. Imagine the view from up there. So what are we waiting for? Let's go inside. Hold on, let's first check on the gate from the outside. So the gate stands at the beginning of the Appian Way, constructed in 312 before Christ. As you can see, it's still a busy road. Originally, there were 2 arches, not one, so wagons could go out and come in at the same time. Towards the left, there's a much smaller gate, which was used for pedestrians only. From this corner, you'll notice these strange bumps on marble blocks. They look like pimples, right? In the ancient days, to carry the blocks from one place to another, they needed these bumps. The bumps were put toward the inside where they couldn't be seen. Otherwise, they were scraped off once the job was done. These marble blocks are actually recycled from ancient monuments and were added by Emperor Honorius in the 5th century. These workers used the wrong size and they just left the bumps. That's why we get to see them today. Curious, right? Walking through the arch, you can see where the portcullis, the rolling gate, used to slide up and down. Entering in the city, you'll see another arch, the so-called Arch of Druso. It's said to be dedicated to Druso, the brother of Emperor Tiberius from the 1st century. But actually, it's part of an aqueduct constructed to provide water to the nearby baths of Caracalla. And there it is. You finally found the entrance to this small but amazing museum, the Museum of the Walls. Now you are literally inside the ancient walls. The mosaics on the floor, they're modern, added in 1940s by a politician named Ettore Muti, who used the space as his studio for a while. Remember the rolling gate? Obviously, this is a modern one, but it's impressive to see cars passing underneath your feet. In this room, they put models to show how the wall and the towers kept on getting taller and stronger. Porta San Sebastiano has become, as of today, in the 6th century. Let's keep on moving. We've reached the terrace between the two towers. And here's the Appian Way. But we're not stopping here. Up and up we go. And at last, we're on top of the gate tower. Check this out. The view towards the south is just gorgeous. But the most spectacular view is this, the wall itself. After you've enjoyed the view, walking down towards the exit, don't miss this tiny door. Through this magical door, you're literally inside the Aurelian wall, and you get to walk on the original Roman walkway. How about that? Here's one of the arrow slits. Towards the city, the ground level has gotten much higher, as you can see. Oh, I forgot to mention something important. All this for free. Yep, that's right, this museum is free of charge. Incredible. Make sure to add this spot on your What to Do in Rome list.